Just found this big baby bird. It's very big for a baby. It was in front of our garage. No idea what kind of bird it is. My wife wants to keep it in that cage, and I want to feed it to Mizu. So we'll try to feed it to Mizu. If Mizu doesn't eat him, then I guess we'll put him in the cage until he gets bigger and then let him go. All right, so we found out it's actually a baby pigeon. Had no idea. So if Mizu doesn't eat it, then we'll keep it till it gets better. Oh, that's so sad, actually. And if Mizu does eat it, well, it was free food.
Don't do it. She's just a baby.
Let's go. I don't want to see it. Let's go.
Mizu chose to let it live, so we're just gonna wash it a little bit and then put it in the cage until it gets a little bigger and stronger. Then we'll let him go. Okay, so now we have to research how to take care of a baby pigeon. And I do not like pigeons, but hey, Mizu didn't eat it, so my wife gets what she wants. Yeah. Goodbye, pretty dogs. Goodbye, pretty lizard. Ugh.